What is going on, everyone? Today we are at Dreamville MX. Been a while since I've been here, like probably not since early summer, and now it is fall. Weather is beautiful, like somewhere in the 50s right now. Okay, oh, here we go. It's my first lap around. Oh, I missed this tabletop, dude. Beautiful. I don't remember exactly how much speed I needed for that jump. I think I gauged it pretty well, though. Woo! Second lap. Got that one out of the way. Okay, next lap I got that. Jesus Christ! I did not get as much of a pop on that jump as I wanted to. Stupid, bro. Someone behind me? Woo! I heard him stall the bike. She's all yours, bro. You go ahead, dude. Nice. Okay, it's time to hit the big one now. Big jump time. Wow, that dude whipped it hard. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hell yeah! Alright, let's try this again. I literally had to preload that, dude. Like, I had to bounce my bike in just to get that pop I wanted. I've never had to do that before. I'll probably have to preload for that one too. Went off the track a little bit there. I love that jump, dude. That might be one of my favorite jumps. Okay, here we go. A two-stroke on this track is just so damn fun. Alright, here we go again. Bounce! Yeah, there we go. Had to preload it. Okay, I think I'm gonna take a break. When you're warming up and you're starting to get sloppy, take a break. I've learned the hard way many times that once you get arm pump on your first few laps, it just ain't worth it. Here's a little drill I like to do when I'm about to enter the track. Take one hand off, squeeze with my legs, and blip the throttle. If your body jerks, then you're not squeezing hard enough. Now, in an ideal world, I'd do that for like hours. But, you know, I'm pretty lazy when it comes to training myself. And I don't actually have much discipline. Let's practice my starting gate stuff. I've never actually done this before. Let's let those guys go first. Do I do this in first or second gear? Well, I'm about to find out. I'm just gonna lean forward. Not bad. I did it in first gear. That was really fun. I haven't done that on a two-stroke in years. And when I did do it, I was like goon riding with my friends in the streets. We're on like a farm. Shit! I was in way too low of a gear and I went for it anyway. Dang, dude, when I cased that table, I was trying to shift, but it wasn't working. I'm pretty sure I hit that in second gear. I don't know for sure though. There we go. Fast squad. Whew, it's scary. I'm like dragging my back brake in the air. Whew. Whoa. Whew. A little short on that one. Ooh, front weight forward. Y'all saw that head shake on the landing. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Huh. Look at that guy, holy crap. Woo! Oh! I tried to be like him. I tossed like a micro whip, if you could even call it a whip.
AB riders, AB.
I'm an AB rider.
Plus B minus, so better not to.
I'll do one lap.
Do whatever you want to do.
Oh my god, that is intimidating, man. Okay. Alright. You heard the man, it's AB riders, and I definitely do not belong out there. So I'm gonna do one lap. I'm going to give it my absolute all.
A&B riders right now. He's up next. Got about 6 minutes, okay?
Alright, cool.
Give our weight down there.
Alright, sounds good. I think it's hilarious that the guy on the pit bike was like, yeah, CD riders are up next. You got about 6 minutes left. Like he said, you have 6 minutes left, as in you are not going to go on that track with those guys. Like he took one good look at me and knew I was a C rider. Woo! 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 Go, go, go! Holy shit! Woo! Ow! Whoa, that was... probably not the smartest thing. Relax those arms. Here's the jump I won't shut up about. Like, see that? I could never do that on my KX. It would always kick me some weird way. This bike does not do that. Toe to so KTM versus Honda. Woo! Whoa! I can feel the wind off his exhaust. Don't think I've ever been that close to someone in the air. But it's fun! Woo! It looks so cool when you're like right next to someone and you get to see, or right behind someone, whatever, and you get to see like how high you really are. Definitely in the wrong gear, and I overshot it. Woo! Roost. Woo! Hopefully I'm doing a good job of getting this roost off the camera. Whew, that wore my arms out. Ow. Woo! Wow, I'm getting like pretty comfortable, like getting close to people, dude. I'm usually terrified of getting next to people, and the thought of racing just terrifies me. I'm having a little change of heart. God, I really need to start using my front brake. Oh, I love this two-stroke, man. There he is. Damn. I don't think I was looking at him. Damn, that dude on the KX is ripping. My arms are getting so tired. All right, Ruslan, let's see what you got. Woo! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ow! He got me good with that one. Shit! Too close! Jesus Christ! Oh, hey, it started that time. Those braking bumps are so gnarly. I just like don't even know how to respond to death grip. Whew. I might have to soften my suspension. Overshoot. Perfect landing into this rut. Scrub. Baby scrub. Barely went sideways, but I mean, hey, it still looks cool, I'm sure. There he is on the KX112. Or I think he's on a KX100. Woo! Don't drag the back brake. Don't stall the bike again. Woo! Smooth and steady.